Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make paper stars. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the video till end. It's super easy. Take an A4 size paper and fold it in a square. Now after folding, cut it the leftover piece. Now after cutting, make a line in a triangle shape. And make sure to leave the space from the top. And now like this, make more lines. And don't forget to leave the space from the top. And now after making lines, you need to cut. After cutting, open it and then take the center part, fold it like this, take a glue and paste like this. Now leave one stripe and then paste another stripes. You need to do this with the hole. Now complete the hole from the front and back both sides. Now make 5 more including this one, and then staple from the bottom, and from the last stripes connect both of them. Take one included staple from the bottom and from the last stripes of both of them and staple it like this. You have to do with all 5.